Oh, I forgot, everybody. Al Roker might have been right. This set has been known for flash floods. This set is built on a hill. There's a lot of rain out there. Hey, in the back cars, can you guys keep your eyes open for flash floods coming down the hill?
Wow.
You know, maybe we should get out of here. No, it's too late. There's a flash flood heading towards the back cars. Guys, the flood was created by releasing 10,000 gallons of water from a tank at the very top of the hill. After the water goes under this bridge, it's pumped into all the drinking fountains in the park. No, after the water goes under the bridge, it gets pumped right back up into the tank. Hey, this is what the set